Alright, in today's fun and exciting episode of Math with Marty, we're going to go more in depth into the physical quantity of acceleration. Okay, acceleration, folks, is the rate of change of speed or velocity. Velocity. The rate of change of velocity. Okay, now what does that mean? Rate of change of velocity. What this means to the layman is how velocity changes every second. Okay? How velocity changes every second. So, if I am in a vehicle, this is supposed to be a vehicle, and I start from rest, meaning I have zero speed or velocity going forward. Okay, zero velocity going forward, and I speed up. Okay, I speed up to about 5 meters per second, and I do this process in, actually that's a very small speed, let's say 50 meters per second, still whatever, okay, 50 meters per second, and I do it over a span of, let's say, 10 seconds. Okay, so I do it over a span of 10 seconds. Then what I'd say is that my change in speed was 50 meters per second, and I did it over 10 seconds. And what this means is that I have increased my speed by 5 meters per second every second. Okay? Now if you do the math, 5 meters per second every second for 10 seconds gives me a new speed of 50 meters per second. Now the neat thing about math is that we can rewrite units. Meters per second, which is what I have over here, can be rewritten. Can be rewritten as 5 meters per second squared. These units right here in the blue and in the red are equivalent. They are the same unit. Okay, so not too sure if 0 to 50 meters per second is actually a feasible speed or velocity. Probably not, but I just wanted to show you, or to demonstrate to you, the idea of acceleration. Folks, this is the acceleration. It's the change of velocity, the rate of change of velocity. Okay, so it's how velocity changes per second. Okay, so basically that is an introduction to acceleration. What we're going to do in the next video is we're going to introduce Newton's laws. We've already talked about forces. Okay, so we're going to reintroduce, I guess, the concept of a force. We're going to reintroduce acceleration again, and then we're going to talk about Newton's laws of motion. And I promise you that video will be super exciting. If you enjoyed this content, if you enjoyed this basic description of acceleration, hope it helped. If you did, leave a like, comment, and sub to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Peace. Bye-bye.